today I am going to try JJJ's fan bun, probably with interruptions. The kids are my responsibility right now. Okay, let's make sure you can see that. Yes, okay. So, I'm going to go around my hair this way. Wrap. You can wrap as many times as you need to, but you need enough hair left over to stuff it into this hole. So I'm just wrapping once. And you're supposed to clip this hair before you stuff it in, but I'm going to try without doing that because I don't have that many clips. These claw clip types. So let's see. Claw clip one side. And claw clip the other side. And then we want to spread it out over the top. Alright, there's a little something missing right there. Well, that's the basic idea. Let me try again. I have trouble getting claw clips to be strong enough to stay in, which is weird because they're supposed to be like really strong, but what happened here? Okay, drawing again. A little higher. Here. Up. Wrap around. Curl up. Give me a moment. There's a clip on the other side, buddy. Get caught in the ring.
Up and down and it didn't work.
All right, well, I will help you in a minute. Don't panic. Nope, not into the fan. Ooh. Underneath it. I am coming. This is supposed to like cover the clips. Almost. That looks better. I'm pleased with how that came out.